Oh, shalom. My name is David Leach, and I'm the author of this book, Chasing Utopia, the Future of the Kibbutz and a Divided Israel. I want to invite you to the 24th edition of the Jewish Book Festival at the Jewish Community Center in Calgary, Alberta. The festival is going to take place between December 8th to 15th, 2019, and I would love for you to join me at two special events. On Wednesday, December 11th, from 2 to 5 p.m., I will lead a hands-on workshop on 10 secrets of writing and publishing memoir, family history, and travelogues. Aspiring authors of every level are welcome to come and learn more about the art and business of creative nonfiction. Then, on 6:30 p.m. on the Thursday evening, I'll give a talk titled, Look Back to Galilee, Understanding Israel, Amos Oz, and Myself through the Spirit of the Kibbutz. I'll read from my book and talk passionately about the utopian ideals and their impact on the kibbutz movement, myself, the history of the Jewish state, and the art and conscience of one of Israel's greatest authors. But that's not everything. To see all of the authors and happenings, go to www.calgaryjcc.com/Jewish-book-festival or find us at Calgary JCC Facebook. See you at the festival. Now back to harvest.